Marshall Forsch, coming to you from our booth here at PAC Expo. Emerson offers a lot of products and solutions to help customers incorporate digital transformation to improve machine reliability and plant sustainability. Here with our pick and place machine, visitors are able to connect with a phone or a tablet to our AF2 sensor and our edge gateway and see critical parameters of the machine, such as compressed air consumption, machine leakage, and valve and cylinder life. A hands-on experience how Emerson helps customers in their digital transformation and sustainability journey. For more information, visit our website or contact an expert.